Renee. This week in lessons we learned about the grand staff. So we have a bass staff put together with a treble staff. So when we play this piece, we're going to start at the beginning and then play these notes, working our way across the page, switching back and forth from left hand to right hand. So we're going to play on middle C. One line that's above the bass staff is middle C, right here. And one line that's underneath the treble staff is also middle C, the same note. So when we play rock and roll, we're gonna play left, 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 right, 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 left, left, right, right, like this. Okay, we're also going to play construction zone. So we're going to start with middle C in bass clef and play 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, like this. Okay, so at the top of the page, we have a little picture of the piano if you need help remembering how to find middle C. And you're using both of your thumbs, your finger number 1, with left hand and right hand on the same C. Okay, let me know if you have any more questions.